Happy Crew Conference. Mabuhay.
Mr. Engineer Malapad of Engineer Spirit. Happy 11th Crew Conference. Mabuhay!
Congratulations, Agustia. Happy 11th Crew Conference. Mabuhay.
Amy Gonzalez from Maker Spirit. Happy 11th Crew Conference 2024. Mabuhay!
Mabuhay.
Welcome aboard. I am Wiper Jubilee Jimenez and happy 11th Crew and Officers Conference here at Mayfair Spirit in Agustia. Mabuhay!
Mabuhay. Happy Officers Conference at Agustia.
Mabuhay! Agustia! Mabuhay! Agustia! Mabuhay!
This is the topic that I would like to share in this yearly conference. A clean engine room is a safe engine room. The same with a clean ship is a safe ship. A toolbox meeting is a very important tool to make our job safe. In toolbox meeting, we discuss our job and share our knowledge and experience. And of course, we will not forget to wear our PPE. And in this job, we plan the most important and priority as per PMS or Plan Maintenance System on board. And in toolbox meeting, we also includes the condition of everyone, of well-being or the condition of everyone's health. And in toolbox meeting, we discuss also the risk assessment, the work permits, and other safety precautions. And at the end of the day, we are sending our job with photos to the office from Engine and Deck Department. Thank you very much, Agustia. Happy Officers Conference and God bless.
Agustia! Mabuhay! Action! Mayfair Spirit.
Happy 11th Crew Conference.
Officer.
Happy 11th Crew Conference.
Agustia.
Mabuhay. From Mayfair Spirit.
Wala pa buhay na lang.
Ay, may pang sige. Happy 11th Crew Conference, Agustea. Mabuhay!
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Action!
Action!
Happy! Diba?
Okay,
1, 2, 3. Skype! Sakay na! Happy 11th Crew Conference for Palapas Funeral Home.
Ten seconds.
Happy! Happy! Hindi kamera yan. Happy birthday!